Hey guys, we're going to work on some basic word problems. So there's some strategies that'll make this easier for you. So one of the strategies will be to draw a picture if possible. So some of the strategies are going to be draw a picture. Another one is to have your let statements. So define your variable. We've done that in class. So define your variable or make a let statement. And then set up a verbal plan. So tell me what you're doing in words before you do it with algebra. So this first example will be one that we can draw a picture for. So the length of the legs of an isosceles triangle. So first let's pause there. Isosceles triangle. As soon as I see that, I know I can draw a picture. So if you remember what isosceles means, it means two legs are the same and the base is different. The length of the leg is 4 times the length of a base. That means our base is x. The legs are the same, they're matching. So it's 4x and 4x. The perimeter, what does perimeter mean? We just did that in our interactive notebook. The perimeter equals the sum of the sides. That's our verbal plan for this one. The perimeter is 27 meters. So I'm adding the sides. Sum means to add 4x plus 4x plus x to equal 27 meters. Find the length of each side. 9x equals 27. Divide by 9. X equals 3 meters. Find the length of each side. So let's make sure we're answering the question. 3 meters here, 12 meters here, 12 meters here. Quick check. 12 plus 12 plus 3, is it 27? So our check is 12 plus 12 plus 3 equaling 27. Sure does work out. 27 equals 27. Nice job. Our next one, again, it's got a shape, so I could draw a picture. Actually, there's two shapes. The width of a rectangle. So we have a rectangle and the square. The width of a rectangle is 2 more than the side of a square. That means my square is going to be x. My width of the rectangle is 2 more than the side of a square, so x plus 2. The length of a rectangle is 1 less than twice the side of the square. So if we know anything about a square, we know that all the sides are the same length. So now I'm doing 1 less than. When I see less than, I switch the order and do subtraction. 1 less than twice. Twice means 2 times the side of the square. So how would we label it? 2x minus 1. Good job. The perimeter of the rectangle is my equal. The perimeter of a rectangle is 14 more than the perimeter of the square. So for my verbal plan, it will be perimeter of the rectangle is 14 more than the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the rectangle, we have to add all of sum of sides. So our perimeter of the rectangle, we have 4 sides. Make sure we're adding 4 things. 2x minus 1 plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 1 plus x plus 2. Or you can add it up all around the picture. The perimeter of the square, we have 4 sides of x, or 4x plus 14. When I add up all my sides, sometimes I like to just do it on the picture. Once I label it, I can add around it. So I have 6x plus 2. So I'm getting my x's on one side, my numbers on the other. I'm shortcutting and doing it all in one step. Get x equals 6. What did they ask for? They asked for the length of the side of the square. So the square equals 6 units. We don't have any, so 6 units. Number 3 is more of a word problem. So for number 3, it's telling me about the sum of 3 numbers. The sum of 3 numbers is 123. So for my chart, I have the first number, the second number, and the third number. So this is my verbal plan. I like to put it in a chart to organize my information. It says the second number is 2 more than twice the first number. 2 more than twice the first number. Twice means 2 times, more than means to add. So my first number is x, that's what I'm comparing to. My second number is 2 more than twice x, which is 2x plus 2. The third number is 5 less than, put the arrow, switch the order. That means it ends in -5. The product means to multiply 3 and the first number. So 3x minus 5. The sum of the three numbers is 121. So the sum of the three numbers, is 123. So our verbal plan looks like first plus second plus third equals 123. First plus second plus third equals 123. X plus 2x plus 2 plus 3x minus 5 equals 123. So we get 6x minus 3 equals 123. Solving for x, 6x equals 126. X equals 21. They want all three numbers. I need an answer box for all three, so I need to figure out every value, and that's going to be my answer. So the first one's 21. The second one is 2 times 21 plus 2, which is 44. The third one is 3 times 21 minus 5, which is 58. If I want to do a quick check, which I love to be right, so why not do a check? 21 plus 44 plus 58 is 123. It sure does work. You are trying number 4. So try it to get credit. Again, I don't think some people are listening to me. So try it for points. You should get 9, 18, and 15 for your three answers. First, second, third. So it's just like number 3. Number 5, the larger of two numbers is 5 times the first. So we have two numbers. We have the first, or we could call it the smaller and the larger. Either one. So you could call it first and second, or small and large. The larger of two numbers is 7 more than 5 times the first. 7 more than 5 times the first is 5x plus 7. Their sum, so small plus large, or first plus second, if you want to call it that, is 55. We're substituting in, we're solving. They want both numbers. Let's do the math. You should get 8 and 47 when you plug in. So plug in and solve. You're doing number 6. You should get 21 and 29. You're trying 7 and 8. 10 by 53. For 8, you should get 3 by 13. For 9, you should get, I think we already did that one, 4, 12, 12. Is that the same? It is. Well, no, it's not. 4, 12, 12, it's just like number 1. And for 10, you should get 8, 11, and 12. Make sure you're trying these. Try all these for points. So if you need help on them, please give me a call. So if you don't try those, then you're not getting full credit. Check your answers, please. Thank you so much. If you need help, please reach out, and have a great day.